Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we're going to be talking about GroupBox. So GroupBox is basically a logical grouping of components or content. And a group content has a visual style and label. And basically, starting iOS 13, iOS 14, and macOS 11 plus, the box style can be customized using GroupBox style. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at GroupBox. Okay, so we're going to create three state variables first. Okay, so we have these three state variables. Basically, we're going to be creating a login box, and we're going to use GroupBox for that. So we're going to create a VStack, and we're going to create a group box right there. Okay, group box takes label and content. Okay, so we're gonna give it a label. Label can be text or a label can be text. So we can simply say account info here, and for the content it can be a trailing closure. So we can simply create a form here, and inside this form we can have text. Okay, and we're gonna give some padding to this, about 10 points of padding here and 10 points of padding for our group box. And then for our VStack, we're gonna give it a frame. Okay, so let's go ahead and resume and see what we got. So this is what we have created using GroupBox. So if you notice, okay, so if you notice, this styling right here is coming from the GroupBox, where we have, like, your label that actually displays the section label, and you can basically adjust the height. But yeah, this is your GroupBox that has all these controls, and you can basically have your username and password field, and even, like, for better visibility, if you want to create text field. Right, so that's something you can do as well. Okay, so all the other modifiers, everything stays same, but yeah, this is basically the group box for grouping your controls or content to display on the screen with the label. All right, so this is it for this video, and I will see you guys in next video. Thank you.